In this video, we will learn about inverse proportion. You can now view the notes for this video on our website, diffusion.academy. Check out the description for the link. Two variables are inversely proportional when one variable decreases at the same rate that the other variable increases. Let's look at speed and time. Speed is equal to distance over time. When the distance is constant, if speed increases, time needed to travel the same distance would decrease. On the other hand, if the speed decreases, time needed to travel the distance would increase. So speed and time are inversely proportional because when one variable, for example speed, increases, the other variable decreases by the same amount. You can use this equation to describe two variables that are inversely proportional to each other. Y is equal to k over x, where k is the constant. Let's look at the previous example. The distance traveled was the constant, k, while the speed was the variable y and time was the variable x. Let's take a look at another example. It takes 4 persons to build a tent in 20 minutes. How long will it take 2 persons to build a tent, assuming everyone builds a tent at the same rate? As the number of people increases, the time needed to build the tent decreases, and as the number of people decreases, the time needed to build the tent increases. So the number of people building the tent is inversely proportional to the time needed to build the tent. We can use the equation from before. Y is equal to k over x, where k is the constant, y is the number of minutes needed to build a tent, and x is the number of persons building a tent. To find the constant k, we need to substitute the values into the equation. Since it takes 4 persons to build a tent in 20 minutes, y is equal to 20 and x is equal to 4. So 20 is equal to k over 4. We shift 4 over to the left and we get 20 times 4, which gives us 80. The constant k is equal to 80. Since we found the constant, we can use this information to find out how long it would take 2 persons to build the tent. We substitute the values k is equal to 80 and x is equal to 2 into the equation. Y is equal to k over x, which gives us y is equal to 80 over 2. 80 over 2 is equal to 40, so y is equal to 40. So the amount of time needed for 2 persons to build the tent is 40 minutes. We hope you learned more about inverse proportion from this video. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos.